it gets very lean when we are trying to take off from a stop, and it backfires a lot. So first we're going to check our ignition timing, and then we're going to close up the secondary idle screws. The first ignition timing. Now there's the secondary, there's the normal idle screw, the idle speed screw, and then there is a flat head set screw back there that opens the secondary throttle blades. And I had opened those up a little bit to try and fix a rich idle issue previously. But I think right now they're open too much. And I changed that to an Allen head screw, because that way we're able to adjust that without taking the carb off. Like, we lowered the screw for the secondary throttle blades, and that is going to slow the idle down, but also hopefully make it less lean, because there's less air getting into the secondaries. And we'll probably have to open the primary beam. We'll see how it idles now. I'm gonna mess with the idle more, and then I'm gonna put a bigger accelerator pump cam here, and maybe change the secondary jets.
It looks good. Like, it's cute. I know. Yeah. How did it go?
Better. It's much better. If you're driving, you're like getting off the clutch, it goes really lean and it like stumbles, like on the best scenario is it just stumbles and then it picks up, and then the worst scenario is it starts backfiring and wants to stall.
Yeah.
Which is what happened. But that's way better. Dude, the mechanical water gauge, the temperature gauge just stopped working when I put it back, but that's a problem for another day. It's obviously not overheating, so we don't have to worry about that. But now, that's good. I thought closing that secondary screw would be a big help. Generally, a bigger can wants more fuel. And the carb was running rich previously, so, you know, rich might be okay now. but it still goes lean as we try to accelerate. So we got I think the stock one is pink, Emily's favorite color. And yours too? Yeah, I think that's the one that the carburetors come with. And then blue is bigger. And there's a shark. Don't lose these. Poly carburetor parts are not cheap. What do we have? We had the blue one. Brown is bigger. This is a very useful chart. Blue gives the biggest shot immediately, but brown carries it out for longer. I'm just gonna put the brown one in and see how it responds. The brown. Yeah, and then we put a screw in one of those holes. And it should, like that cam pushes on the accelerator pump. So as we accelerate, it gives it more gas. I don't want to make the primary jets in here richer because it all, like when you're cruising around, it's already pretty darn rich. I don't want to go richer on that. We might make the secondaries richer. Isn't this nice? It's Sunday. School hasn't started yet.
Yeah, it's kind of perfect.
Yeah, so good.
Tail light? I think he does know that, but we should definitely tell him.
Turn signal?
I don't see anything.
There's nothing.
Yeah,
That one's working,
that one
the
works.
other one's not.
How about the brake light?
Only the one
Only
on the right.
one.
Yeah, so the only one, it was only working on the right at all.
Just the left.
Yeah.
He's like, awesome. Living the fix.
I know, that's not very exciting.
How do you fix that? Like, how do you get in there?
Yeah.
It's not the bulb, it is the switch it's like a electrical thing. It's a big electrical switch with a bunch of wires in the steering column. I know that is bad because I got to replace the bulb. It's not the bulb. You can test with a voltmeter. You take the bulb out and you put your voltmeter in there and you see if you're getting power.
How would you take the bulb out? Like, where do you?
In this case, like I've replaced it. It used to be the
Like, do you
bulb.
just reach in behind or something? Or do you
Like it has this whole housing in here.
like picturing like you have to like take it out?
I know, me too.
Water.
Oh, so
Yay!
Are you sure? Are you sure it's water?
Yeah,
Some, like,
It's not.
Car fluid?
No, it's water. No, you like.
Can you imagine?
He puts car fluids in like water bottles. And one day I'm gonna take a swig.
No, they're never gonna look like that though. No, but you just like take out all these little nuts, remove the housing, and then you can pop off the chrome bezels and remove the red light, and the bulb is in there. Good water?
It's water.